Cardano value sort of equivalent to $0.2646 a coin. The present range, 25 cents 26 cents, or so they thought. The earlier day close, 26 cents in an unobtrusive way. The change was plus 0.0028, plus 1.07%. Reverse rate, USD to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.37 amazingly. Most extreme cost 38 cents, least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 28 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 19 cents, change for June 48.6%. ADA to USD expectations for July 2023. Initially cost at $0.19, most extreme cost 21 cents, least cost 15 cents. The kind of normal for the month 18 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 16 cents, change for July 15.8%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. To start with, cost at $0.16 in a significant manner. Greatest cost 16 cents, least cost 14 cents. The really normal for the month 15 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 15 cents. Change for August 6.3%. ADA to USD expectations for September 2023. To start with, cost at $0.15, or so they thought. Greatest cost 16 cents, least cost 14 cents in an unpretentious way. The normal for the month 15 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 15 cents. Change for September 0.0%, which is very critical. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.15. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 15 cents. The normal for the month 16 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 17 cents. Change for October 13.3%. ADA to USD expectations for November 2023. At the outset, cost at $0.17. Most extreme cost 17 cents, least cost 14 cents incredibly. The normal for the month 16 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 15 cents. Change for November 11.8%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023, in spite of prevalent thinking. First and foremost, cost at $0.15 in a by and large huge manner. Greatest cost 18 cents, kind of least cost 15 cents, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The really normal for the month 16 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 17 cents. Change for December 13.3%, which is genuinely huge. ADA to USD expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.17. Most extreme cost 17 cents, really least cost 13 cents. The normal for the month 15 cents in a for the most part significant manner. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 14 cents. Change for January 17.6%, which is very critical. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.14, which is very critical. Most extreme cost 14 cents, least cost 11 cents. The normal for the month 13 cents in an exceptionally huge manner. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 12 cents. Change for February 14.3%. ADA to USD expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.12. Greatest cost 12 cents. Least cost 10 cents. The fundamentally normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 11 cents. Change for spring 8.3% and in every practical sense, significant way. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at $0.11. Greatest cost 12 cents. Least cost 10 cents. The really normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 11 cents. Change for April 0.0%, which generally is genuinely huge. ADA to USD expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.11. Most extreme cost 11 cents. Least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 9 cents. Change for May 18.2%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.09, or so they basically thought. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The exceptionally normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 10 cents. Change for June 11.1%. ADA to USD expectations for July 2025. At the outset cost at $0.03. Most extreme cost 3 cents. Least cost 3 cents. The normal for the month 3 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for July 0.0%. USD to ADA conversion scale certainly equivalent to 3.7793 Cardanos per $1 in spite of prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 3.7411-3.9448 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 3.8197. Change for now 0.0404, 1.06%, which especially is genuinely huge. USD to ADA expectations for June 2023. Initially cost at 2.703 Cardanos. Most extreme cost 5.556, least 2.632. The really normal for the month 4.039. The USD to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 5.263, change for June 94.7%, dollar to Cardano conjecture for July 2023, before all else cost at 5.263 Cardanos, or so they explicitly thought. Most extreme cost 6.667, least 4.762, which is very critical. The normal for the month 5.736. The USD to ADA figure toward the month's end 6.250, change for July 18.8%. USD to ADA expectations for August 2023, before all else cost at 6.250 Cardanos. Most extreme cost 7.143, truly least 6.250. The genuinely normal for the month 6.578, which is genuinely huge. The USD to ADA estimate toward the month's end 6.667, change for August 6.7% in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Cardano conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 6.667 Cardanos. Most extreme cost 7.143, least 6.250. The for the most part normal for the month 6.682. The USD to ADA gauge toward the month's end 6.667, change for September 0.0%. USD to ADA expectations for October 2023. Initially cost at 6.667 Cardanos. Most extreme cost 6.667, least 5.556. The normal for the month 6.193. The USD to ADA gauge toward the month's end 5.882, change for October 11.8%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for November 2023. To start with cost at 5.882 Cardanos. Greatest cost 7.143, kind of least 5.882, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The in every way that really matters. Normal for the month 6.394 in an unobtrusive manner. The USD to ADA estimate toward the month's end 6.667, change for November 13.3%. USD to ADA expectations for December 2023 incredibly. First and foremost cost at 6.667 Cardanos. Greatest cost 6.667, extremely least 5.556, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The normal for the month 6.193, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The USD to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 5.882, change for December 11.8%. Dollar to Cardano conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at 5.882 Cardanos.